Hello and welcome to Trade Foresight, your online platform that facilitates local and international trade. Over here, you will view a complete, up-to-date, and authentic trade information validated by institutes like UNO, WTO, etc. So let's log into Trade Foresight. Upon login, you will view its landing page. And on this page, you can see different features like export analysis, import analysis, country analysis, etc. You can access any feature by clicking on the relevant tile. For example, you can access export analysis feature by clicking on this tile. Here you go. Now let's go back to the landing page. Likewise, you can also access any feature by clicking on any of the link shown on the blue ribbon over here. So let's say you want to view, analyze trade exports from your country to another country. To facilitate this, Trade Foresight presents you its export analysis feature. Now this feature provides you with an in-depth analysis of export scenario based on your own requirements. So let's see how this feature works. We put our cursor over here. As before, we click on the export analysis feature and there you go. So once you click on the export analysis tile, the feature is going to open for you. It's going to show you the relevant page and let's see how it works for you. So we say that I'm from Sri Lanka. I type this on the filter over here. Let's say I'm interested to know about my country's export relation with Germany for the year 2020, and as a Sri Lankan trader I am into, let's say, chemical and allied industry, and if I'm looking for any specific product to export, so let's go for this. Yep, there we go, soap. So once you fill out the filters, you will see that this page automatically loads all the information that I need to analyze my own requirement for export from Sri Lanka to Germany. So here I go. So over here you will see these four tiles over here. You can see the map over here and you can view a bar chart over here. So let's see what does this page shows you. Now if I'm exporting soap from Sri Lanka to Germany, so this first tile tells me that Sri Lanka's cumulative reported export for one product to Germany was 6.29k US dollars, which is 629,000 US dollars for the year 2020, which means that the product which I want to export to Germany, previous year Germany imported $629,000 worth of soap from Sri Lanka. The same product Sri Lanka exported to all of the world, including Germany, amounted to 172.41k US dollars. So this is the view of the export market for the product which I want to export from Sri Lanka to the other countries, especially Germany. Now let's look at the German landscape. Now Germany in total imported 144,000 worth, it's 144 million US dollars almost, or you can say 145 million US dollars worth of soap from the whole world, and this is including 629,000 US dollar worth of soap which it imported from Sri Lanka. So I can see over here that out of 140, almost 145 million US dollars, the Sri Lankan market amounts to 629,000 US dollars. So this is the Sri Lankan share in the German market regarding my soap. And similarly, if I have to view the entire world inclusive of Germany, so it shows that the whole world imported around 1.95 billion worth of soap. So this is the export scenario I will view based on my requirement. Now, if you see the map over here, it shows you that the export for the soap originating from Sri Lanka to the different countries, including Germany. You can view all this over here. See? Yep, France, including Germany. So this shows you basically the interactive export map. But the more interesting information is this. And I think this is one feature that you may want to have a look at it in depth. So if you see over here, Germany reported imports for one product. One product means the same product of soap that I want to export to Germany over here. And this is the overall competitive landscape over here, if you see. So it means that for the same product, Poland was the biggest exporter to Germany, which means that my biggest competitor might be from Poland. The next is Israel, the next is UK. So which means that as a Sri Lankan trader, I may have strong competition from the traders of these three countries. So if I click on any of the link over here, it shows that the Poland has almost 34% of market in Germany for the soap that I want to export from Sri Lanka. And this amounted to almost 49, if my eyesight is reading me correct, $1 million over here. So it shows the overall import market within Germany for the product which I want to export from Sri Lanka to that place. So I hope that this presentation would be very informative for you and you would find it very interesting. Thank you so very much for your time.